Hello children, welcome to today's session. I hope everyone completed your home fund. Yes, we can move to today's session. So, in this session, we are going to learn about comparing the numbers, okay? Ascending order and descending order. Okay, Kana? Everyone take your studio book, volume 2. Take pencil along with you. Now it's the time for home fund. First take your companion book, volume 2. Now see here, take companion book, page number 3. 7C is the home fund, Kana. Write the numbers in the expanded form. Okay, for example, 1 has been done for you. See, you want to write the expanded form. So, in the last session, we have learnt, isn't it? See the number they have given and expanded form you want to write, Kana. Okay, so first you have to put ones, tens, 100. Okay, so first the number 3 you want to write, and after that 2 digits are there, so you want to put 2 zeros. Then you have to put plus, then tens place you are having the number 6. So you have to put 6. After that you are having 1 digit. So you have to put 1 0 with that number. Then you have to put plus, and in ones place you are having the number 2. You want to write as it is. Okay, like that you want to do the expanded form for these numbers. Okay, Kana? And see here. Here they have given the expanded form and you want to write the number. Okay? Yes. So you have to complete this home fund. So already we have learned this in volume 1. Numbers up to 100. Okay. In that topic we have learned. So I hope everyone will complete easily. Okay. So complete this home fund and upload in the Kensilab, Kana. Okay. So how you will write the number, Kana, from the expanded form? See here, first one 400 plus 10 plus 8 they have given. So you want to write 4, 1, 8. Okay, so from the expanded form you want to write the number. Okay, Kana? So see one sum I will show you. So 4, okay, 400 you want to write 4, and in 10. So 110. So in tens place you want to put 1. And in ones place what is the number you have? 8. So you want to put 8. So 418 is the answer. Okay, like that you have to complete the remaining sums. Okay. See here, Kana. Take your studio book, volume 2, page number 6. So we are going to see the hands-on activity 7.5. Use number cards to form as many 3-digit numbers. Okay, so as possible using the given digits. So here they have given the digits, Kana, 2, 4, 8. So what you have to do? You want to form 3-digit number. By using these three numbers, you want to form another 3-digit numbers. Okay, and what they have given? Use each digit only once. So you want to use the digit only one time. See one example I have shown. So 2, 4, 8 they have given these 3 numbers. Okay. So using these 3 numbers we want to create another 3-digit number. See here. Here they have given 2, 4, 8. So I have formed 2, 8, 4. Okay. So only one time the numbers has to repeat. Okay. So 2, 8, 4. And another one 4, 2, 8. Okay, so 4, 2, 8 and 4, 8, 2. See here, 4, 8, 2. Okay, so these numbers are different only, no. See here, 8, 4, 2. Now 8, 4, 2 and 8, 2, 4. So these numbers, 3-digit numbers are different. See here, this one 284. This one 428. So the values are different, isn't it? And this one 482. This one 842. And this one 824. So these values are different. Okay, so by using these 3 numbers, we want to create another 3-digit number. Okay, see one more example is there. I will show you. Here they have given 3, 5, 6. Okay, so using these three numbers, you want to create another 3-digit number like this. Okay, so already they have given 3, 5, 6. Okay, what number we can write? Yes, very good. 3, 6, 5. Okay, so 3, 6, 5. Yes, next. So we can take 5. We can start with the number 5. 5, 6, 3. 5, 6, 3. Okay, and then so you can start with the number 6. So 6, 3, 5. 6, 3, 5. And what is the another one we can write? So 6, 3, 5 we have written, and then 6, 5, 3. Okay, so 6, 5, 3 you can write like that. Then any other number we can form Kanna using these three numbers? Yes, we can start with the number 3. See here, 3, 6, 5 we have completed. Okay, now 5, 6, 3 also we have written. 5, 3, 6 shall we write? Yes, very good. So 5, 3, 6. Okay, so like this you want to create 3-digit numbers. Okay, so you can form 3-digit numbers in a different way Kanna. Okay, so that only they are asking us to do in this hands-on activity. Okay, so like that you want to complete these two numbers. Okay, so you want to do for these three numbers. So they have given 901. So using these three numbers you have to form another 3-digit number. Okay, so here 901 is there. So how you can form another 3-digit number? 910 you can write. Okay, and another one 109. Okay, like that you want to create and you want to write it Kanna for these two sums. Okay, next see here we are going to see the look deep activity 7.6. See here, use the digits 509 to make the largest and smallest possible 3-digit number. Okay, so they have given the digits 509. 3 numbers, 3 digits they have given. So using these numbers you want to make a largest and the smallest number. Okay, so first we can write the largest number Kanna. Largest number means in these 3 numbers which number is the largest one? Yes, very good, 9. Super Kanna. So 9 you want to write. Okay, and the second biggest number is either 0 or 5. Yes, very good, 5. 5 you want to write it here. Okay, and at the last 0 is the smallest one. So that you have to put at the last. Okay, see here Kanna. Here they have given the commas. In the question, they have given the commas for these digits. While writing the largest number, you should not put commas. Okay, see once again I will repeat. In the question, they have given the commas. Okay, see 5, 0, 9 like that they have given here. But while you are writing the largest and the smallest number, you should not put commas. Just you want to write the greatest number first. While you are writing the largest number, you want to write the greatest number from this. So 9, among these 3 numbers, 9 is the greatest that you want to write first. After that, 5 is the greatest number that you want to write, and 0 is the smallest one that you want to write the last one. Okay, now see here, smallest number you want to take and write Kanna. Okay, so smallest number means how we will write? So we will write 059. Okay, but 0 we should not put at the first. Okay, so if you are writing the smallest number means 0 is the very smallest one. Okay, so everyone will write 059, but 0 should not write as first because 0 has no value. Okay, so 0 has no value, so we should not put first. So after that, which is the smallest number? 5. So that you have to write here 5, 0, 9. So this is the smallest number. Have you understood, Kana? See, while writing the largest number, from the largest number you want to write. Start. After that, which is the largest one you want to write, and at the last you want to write the smallest number. Okay. And while writing the smallest number, so which number is small, that you have to write. Okay. So here 0 is there, but we should not put 0 first. Okay. Because 0 has no value. So you should not put 0. After that, which number is small, you have to check. After that, 5 is small. When it is compared to 9, 5 is small. So you want to put 5 first. Then you have to put 0. Then only largest number you want to write it, Kana. Okay. And see here, can 059 be considered the smallest 3-digit number? Just now I say. So 0 you should not write first. Okay. So we cannot consider. See here, Kana. So they are asking whether it will form a smallest 3-digit number. You have to write no. Okay. We cannot consider 059 as the smallest number. Okay. So you cannot consider as it is the smallest number. Okay. So for that only we have to write after 0, which is the smallest number, that you have to write first. And after the smallest number, secondly you want to put 0. Okay. And after that you want to write the remaining numbers. Okay, Kana? And you should not put commas, Kana. Okay, you should not put commas for the numbers while writing the smallest and largest number. In the question they will be giving commas. Okay, here you have to write only the numbers, no commas. Okay, and next see here, we are going to see the think and ink activity 7.7. So match the numbers to their number name and expanded form. So here in left side they have given the expanded form and the number names, and you want to match it. See here, what is the number name they have given? 456. So how we will write in the numbers 456? Check whether in the right side is there any number. Okay, or any same words they have written. See here, here 506 is there, so you cannot match. And this one 374, that also you cannot match. And here they have given 506 and 374. Okay, and here see, this one they have written as 500 plus 6, and this one they have written 800 plus 90 plus 4. So they have given like this. Okay, so you want to match. So you want to match they have given the numbers, Kana, here. They have given the numbers and their expanded form. You want to match with the number names. See here, 456 is there. So the number name for this number is here, 456. So you want to match it from here to here. So 456. Okay, and the second number is 894. So where is that? See here, 894, it is here. So now you want to match this number with this. Okay, and then see the next one, 506. 506, where it is? 506 here. See, 506, the number name is here. So you want to match. And the last one is 374. So 374, their number name is here. Okay, and you want to match the expanded form for this number, Kana, 456. Where is the expanded form? Extended form for this number. See here, check. Yes, it is here. 400 plus 50 plus 6. That only we write in number as 456. Okay. See here, Kana. So the number we want to match, isn't it? So the expanded form is here, 300 plus 70 plus 4, and the number is here. So from here you want to match it. And for the number 506, the expanded form is here, 500 plus 0 tens plus 6 ones. Okay, so that you want to match it. And the next one is 894. So 894 is the expanded form is here, 800 plus 90 plus 4. And the first one is 456. Where is that? The expanded form for that number, it is here. You want to match it. Okay, Kana, just we are matching the number names and the expanded form for the given numbers. That's all. Okay, so see, for the first one, we have matched the number names and the expanded form. For the second number, here number name and expanded form. For the third number, here it's number name and the expanded form. And for the last one, the number name is here and the expanded form is here. Okay, yes. Now see, Kana, next we are going to see the pet activity 7.8. Okay, so which number comes after this number? Okay, which number comes after this number? So already we have learned in volume 1, numbers. Okay, so what is the number will be coming after 146? Yes, very good, Kana. 147. Yes, that you want to write it here. Okay, so the number comes after this number will be 147. Okay, so after means after this number. Before means before this number. See here, which number comes before this number? So before means before 296, what is the number? Okay, so 296 is there, and before that what number will be coming? Yes, very good, 295. Yes, very good, that's all, Kana. Okay, so after this number means after 146, 147 will be coming. Okay, so before the number 296 means before this number what will be coming? 295. That's all. Okay, see here, Kana, now it's the time for home fun. Take your companion book, page number 4. 70 is the home fun, Kana, today's home fun. See, write any two numbers that come before, after and between the given numbers. So just now we have seen the pep activity. So you have to write the number which comes before. Okay, so before 241, what number will come? That you have to write it here. So for these numbers, you want to write the number before. The number comes before for this number. Okay, and what comes after means for these number, which number will come after this number, that you want to write it here. Okay, so you want to write the number after 856. What number will be coming? 857. Yes, very good, Kana. So like that you want to write the number which comes after this number. Okay, and see here what comes between. Okay, between means the number will come between these two numbers. Okay, so the number which comes between 234 and 254. Now see here, Kana, what comes in between? Okay, so the number, what number will come in between these two numbers? Okay, so how many numbers we have, Kana, between 132, 146? See here, 133. So between means you should not add these two numbers. Okay, so between means between these two numbers, what are the numbers are there? We can check. And you can write any one number, that is enough. Okay, so how many numbers are having? See here, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145 and 146. Just now I said you should not add 146. Okay, so between 130 to 146, how many numbers we have? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers we are having, Kanna. Okay. So between these two numbers, how many numbers we are having? 13 numbers. In these 13 numbers, any one number you can write it here. Okay. So either you can write 133, otherwise either you can write 137, otherwise you can write 139. So between these two numbers, okay, we are having 13 numbers. In these 13 numbers, you can take and write any one number. Okay. So here I will write 141. Okay. So the number should be in between these two numbers. That's all. So in between means, have you understand? Yes. So like that you want to write the number between these two numbers. So 30 numbers are there between these two numbers. But you can write any one number, that is enough. Okay, so don't want to write these 30 numbers, Kanna. So you want to take and write only one number, that is enough. Okay, and you should not write this 146 and 132. So these two numbers you should not write. Between these two only you want to take and write. Okay, so like that in your companion, what comes between they have asked. So you want to write what are the numbers coming between 234 and 254. So how many numbers will be coming? Nearly 20 numbers will be coming. Okay, in that you can write any one, that is enough. Okay, like that you have to complete your home fund, Kanna, and upload in the Kensila. Okay, we can see in the next session. Bye.